Good afternoon. Happy Thursday. This is Tracy coming to you this afternoon with a Mexican mukbang. What I have today is a beef tongue taco. This is beef tongue. The proper word for this is lengua. Lengua. It's a lengua taco, beef tongue. And let me show you what that looks like. Sorry about that. So this is beef tongue. Beef tongue. I have radishes, pico de gallo, and here I have a fish tostada. This is the fish here. And then the tostada. Kind of cracked it a little bit, but that's a tostada. And then this is the fish. And then I have a Mexican Mandarin drink. I can't pronounce that name though. Can't pronounce that name. But this is beef tongue. And we're going to get started with this mukbang. This is my first mukbang. And thank you for joining in. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified when I upload another video. So bear with me. This is my first one and I'm so excited. I love beef tongue. I make it all the time, but this time I went to a Mexican restaurant and got it. But beef tongue is a really succulent, tender meat. It's very, very good. It's very good. So let me open up my drink here. And let me go ahead and get this going. Put me some pico de gallo on my taco. I love pico de gallo. Got me some jalapeno pepper. Bomb. Bomb. You never had a taco until you had a beef tongue taco, okay? The meat, that's what it looks like. That part right there is a part of the tongue. Let me take the pickle out. You see? It's good. It's really, really tender. And it's not hard to make either. Beef tongue isn't hard to make at all. And it's real juicy. It's real juicy. My jalapeno is real juicy. There you go. So you can see more. Nothing like it. You have to try this. You have to try beef tongue. It's good. It's called lengua, which is beef tongue. You have to try it. It is so delicious. It has to be cooked a certain way, though. You have to cook it right. After you bake, you can bake it. It's better to put it in the roaster. Put it in the oven. Season it really good. It's the best tender meat you'll ever have. It is good. I'm not playing. I love it. My drink. I'm gonna drink that one. I love radishes. I'm not even playing. So how you guys doing today? I'm kind of feeling a certain type of way because a close relative of mine passed away unexpectedly. It's always unexpected, but sometimes you can deal with it better when you know they're sick and you know that they're going. But when they just up and go, she had a blood clot and it traveled to her heart. And one thing about blood clots is there's no symptoms all the time. And when you do get the symptoms, it's like too late, because I looked it up and they were saying that your feet start swelling, you get out of breath, because when it starts traveling, it travels fast when it gets close to the end if you don't catch it. And the cool part about it, she went to the doctor 2 weeks before she passed away. And they sent her home. They just sent her home. Then a week later, passed away. She just passed out. She was complaining that she couldn't breathe. And I have a little bit of guilt because a month prior to that, she had called me and asked me to come over and eat and have drinks with her. And I've just been busy. I go to school 2 nights a week. I work. It's not an excuse. So I have a little bit of regret because I didn't go see her then. We never know when our time is coming. That's why it is always important, to stay in touch with your loved ones, because you just don't know when your time is coming. You never know. Was this right here? In my Cat Williams voice? I can't say it all because I don't want to use potty words in my video. But this right here, this right here, Google Cat Williams, and then you know exactly what I was saying when I skipped a few little syllables. Okay, this is good. I've been feeling good today. I got to go to school tonight. Now I'm getting ready to try this. It's fish taco. It's fish tostada base. Really what it is, fish tostada. And I crack my shell. We're going to do this like this. See what's happening here. Matter of fact, I'm going to crack it. I'm not going to, so I can eat it really good. I'm going to eat half of it like that. I'm going to taste, ooh. I want to see what's happening with this. Now, this particular restaurant, I always go here. I live in Northern California. And I never ordered their fish taco. So this is, their fish tostada taco. So this is my first time tasting this. So, I must say, it is good. But they use a little bit too much lime or something. It's too much. I taste more lime than I do fish, but it's good. But I'm tasting more lime. I'm not really feeling this fish right here. I'm not really feeling it. Let me try it again. I'm not really feeling this one. I'm not really feeling that. It has it tastes, I can't even think of how to describe it, like too lemony or limey or something. Then on top of that, I think they threw in some salt or something. I'm not feeling that fish right there, that particular fish from that restaurant. But I will say, again, to try the lengua. Try lengua. Go to a authentic. Go to don't go to a fast food Mexican restaurant. You know, like Taco Bell. No, you know, I'm just saying Taco Bell. I mean, although they don't sell lengua, but I'm using that as an example. But you want to go to a hole in the wall, real authentic Mexican restaurant if you want to do lengua, because you want to make sure that you get it cooked right. Because if it's not cooked right, you ain't gonna like it. It's too much bread for me. Sometimes I take off one of the shells. These are basically street tacos. And you can order like whatever kind of meat you want, chicken, beef, whatever. But I like lengua. I like lengua. So, and I thought I'd share this with you guys. You see? Taste this. I usually get the strawberry, and they have a mango one. So I'm trying a mandarin this time. I love their drinks. So yeah, I'm just feeling a little certain type of way today. So I thought I'd give me some comfort food, you know? You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you just need it. This is good. I want y'all to try it. I want you to leave me a comment below. Hit like, subscribe. I'm a struggling YouTuber that's just starting off. I'm really excited. I want to do a lot more eating with you guys and talking and laughing with you guys. But when I'm eating my tacos, I love tacos. Tacos and spaghetti. Those are my two favorite foods. I love everything, but tacos, look at here. Tacos. I love me some tacos. I was going to get the burrito, the lengua burrito, but that would have been way too much. I would have been all asleep and dozing off in class tonight. That's that itis. You get that itis when you eat that type of food. That's a cultural word. Y'all know what the itis is? When you be ready, after you eat, you ready to just go to sleep. That's that itis. I can't have the itis tonight. Maybe tomorrow night, but not tonight. We got my first exam tonight, so I got to be on point. That fish kind of turned me off. I didn't want to use the lime on this. Usually you can put lime on it. It tastes real good with the lime. But that kind of messed up my taste buds for the lime. These jalapenos. They're not even hot. When you go to places like Taco Bell or Popeyes, those jalapenos are pickled. And they have a little kick in them, but they're not as spicy and hot as a raw one. And those are they got a little kick, but they're really they're pickled. They're not really that hot. So you know. So I'm done with that. I'm gonna give this to my my significant other, my boo. He'll eat it. But, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching and hanging in there with me for the struggling. It's always hard when you start something new. You're gonna run into obstacles and challenges, and that's with anything in life. It's always hard when you start something new, and when you're starting from the bottom trying to move your way up somewhere. You're gonna run into some challenges. So, but I do thank you guys for watching. I hope you tried the lengua. I really do, and I hope that you make a comment and let me know that you tried it. I got a fly up in here. My first video. What? I am human, okay? A fly got in. I ain't nasty. The fly got in. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video and leave me a comment and hit that bell so you can know when I upload again. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this taco and get ready for school, and thank you guys for joining in. Peace out.